So this is a discussion that we had talked a little bit about today, and I wanted to clarify a few things just as you're reviewing your work at home in preparation for your next assignment. First thing we're going to be looking at involves the comparison between mean and median. So in this data set, if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, the data set is 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 7, 7, 8, 9. That means that we have one frog in the 1 position. There are 3 frogs in the 3 position. And the total number of items, we have 10 items altogether. Why does that matter? Well, if we look at the frog positioning right now, there are more frogs on the left-hand side of the teeter-totter than there are on the right-hand side. And how is that related to mean and median? Well, if we were able to balance our teeter-totter, so I'm going to try and move this balance, and I can use this point here to do that. If I'm able to find the point where the teeter-totter actually balances, that point should represent what? Something important to think about. What is that point where the teeter-totter perfectly balances? If we throw in our calculation for our mean, you'll see that that balance point is the same as the mean, visually. So the mean sits somewhere right around here, about 4.7, just below 5. But again, let's go back and look at the number of frogs. We've got more frogs on the left-hand side of the mean than we do on the right-hand side of the mean. So how is that going to affect the median? Do you think the median would be bigger or smaller than the mean in this case, if there are more frogs on the left, less than the mean than there are on the right? You'll notice that the median is 3.5. So the median is actually less than the mean. Visually, why is that? There are more values, more numbers that are less than the mean. So the median is less than the mean. In theory, if we were to move some of these frogs or move some of the values and make them bigger than the mean, in theory, should that mean the median becomes bigger than the mean? Let's find out and see what happens. Okay, so let's move one of the frogs from the 3 position to the 8 position. So we're moving it over, and let's move another one, just for fun. So we move 2 frogs from the 3 position to the 8 position. So that means their value is no longer 3 and 3, but the value of those 2 frogs is now 8 and 8. So if you look at the teeter-totter, you'll see that there are more frogs on the right-hand side than there are on the left-hand side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frogs on the right and 4 frogs on the left. Where's the balance point? The mean is higher now. The mean is 5.7. Where do you think the median would be? Should it be bigger or smaller than the mean? There are more frogs on the right than there are on the left. That means there are more values that are bigger than the mean, so the median should be higher. It is. So I hope this helps. Just to review some of the activities we covered today, please practice with the gizmos and review in preparation for your assignment coming up. Don't forget, you're going to be expected to use the number values appropriately, because you're going to be working with larger numbers as per our number sense unit. So don't be afraid to change the form of the numbers. You don't always have to use standard form. You could use different combinations of standard, expanded, and written form to help you explain your ideas using proper math terminology. Okay, good luck.